welcome to day 2 of the $800 weekend challenge. All right, we'll start our first one with a 6:30 batch for $43 triple shop from Ralph's. So let's go get it. All right, no drop-off action in the second one. I'm gonna make my way to my third delivery right now. Hey, got some drop-off. All right, just dropped off that last order. All right, gonna make my way towards Costco. They like to drop their orders a little early on Saturdays, so I'm gonna head that way right now. All right, the Costco drop happened around 9:03. There was a 41 and a 49. I ended up picking up the 49. 32 items going 6.7 miles to customers. So we're just waiting for Costco to open and we'll go shop that right now. Shop that order in 21 minutes. No replacements, no refunds. Let's make our way to our drop off and I'll see you guys there. All right, just dropped off my first delivery. I'm gonna make my way to my second one. All right, just made it back to Costco after dropping that order off. Batch price came out to be saying $49 and change. All right, guys, let's pick up the next batch. $36, going 1.9 miles, 30 items, 2 customers. Let's go shopping. All right, shop that in 23 minutes. No replacement, no refund. Good thing, 1.9 miles away to drop both of them off. All right, we'll see you guys at the drop-offs. All right, just dropped off that delivery. Whew, it's hot in this complex, no AC. But anyways, we're gonna make our way to our second delivery. Right, just dropped off that last order. I'm gonna make my way back to Costco. All right, guys, see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, I was gonna do a 3 o'clock update, but we're gonna veto that because as I was pulling into McDonald's, I picked up a 78. Didn't even have time to screen record it, but it's $78 total of 2-person, 42 items. I didn't even see how far it was going. I didn't care. I just grabbed it right away. So we're gonna grab something for lunch and then we're gonna go shop this. All right, so I was able to shop that order in 41 minutes. Customer A had most of the items you can see here. Did have to replace their water. Customer B had 11 items. Did have to replace the water. Costco's out of water. Just before that though, before I picked up that one, guys, I did do, let me pull it up here. I did like 4 batches. I did Uber Eats for $22. And then I did, when I just picked that up, there was a 37 going 4.7 miles, 5 items from Costco. So I grabbed that too. So I did a double shop there. And then I came back and I picked up a 22 going 2.9 miles, 12 items, single person. And that's where I'm at right now. So I'm heading to drop off my $70 batch right now. It's in PB, which is not too bad. So we're gonna go drop it off, and then I will see you guys after. All right, just dropped off my first order. No drop off action on that one. All right, we're gonna make our way to our second one. All right, just picked up my last batch of the day. It's from Rouse for $19, 21 items, going 2.8 miles. We're gonna go shop it right now. All right, just finished up that order, 19 minutes, no replacements, no refunds. Let's drop it off and then run through the numbers for day 2. All right, just dropped off that last order. All right, guys, give me a couple of minutes. We'll run through the numbers and see how we did on this day. All right, that is it. All right, let's run through the numbers. What a day I had today, guys. Unbelievable. One of the best days I've had in a long time. All right, so on Instacart, I ended up doing a total of 7 batches. Picked up my first one this morning, $6.18 for a 43 triple. Online pay, so batch price didn't change. At the Costco drop, I picked up a 49. Came back, picked up a 36 double. And then I picked up a Uber Eats for $22. And then at this, just before I finished picking up the order, there was a 37 Costco order, 4 items. So I grabbed that too. So I turned that into a $59 batch. Came back, picked up a 22 single, thinking I might get an add-on. Didn't get the add-on, but that was all good. And then I came back and was buying lunch, and McDonald's line, a 78 showed up. So I grabbed that right away. And then came back and finally finished the night off with a $19 Ralph's batch for a grand total on Instacart of $286.23, plus $30.90 on Uber Eats, because that 22 went up to 30, plus a $9.88 tip on Walmart Sparks for a grand total of $327.01 for the day. What does that mean for the 2 days? I am sitting at $598.36 into my $800 challenge. I got one more day left. Stay tuned and find out if I hit my goal. All right, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when the next video comes out, and keep on grinding.